Good morning. It's Saturday, July 20th, 2013. We're on the way to the market. My mom needs some more market items. Anyway, it's going to be another hot day. Well, here we are at the market. My mom needs some market items today. I think I said it was Saturday 20th, I think. I forget. Yeah, my mom's going crazy shopping. Come on. Look at her go.
Not really.
Okay, we're on our way home. Yeah, the dogger's coming to help me. Silly dogger. Anyway, I'm emptying this before I start. I'm going to do some vacuuming. It's still full from yesterday. I vacuumed a little. Yeah. It's getting cleaner and cleaner in there. Jeez. I just came back outside. I just was inside vacuuming the living room a little bit now. Let's see what this one. Yeah. I guess I made some progress there. That's from the living room. This is all the stuff we're all allergic to. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I might do the upstairs later. I just like to start with a fresh vacuum. Gets better suction that way. Airflow. And there it is. Nice and clean again. Alright, ready for another run. I'm going to do it later. It's so hot. It's ridiculous. Okay, I'm going to see if there's any mail. I think my mom got the mail already. Okay, I got to repackage these books. I'm going to get back on my book packaging project here. Okay, I got a case full here. Join the other cases. Oh, here's the Kippy cat helping me, sitting right in my work area again. I'm trying to stack boxes here. I don't know how they know where to sit to be the most pain in the butt. Okay, another box of books ready to pack.